Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about this. The Cash App, the mother trucking Cash App. We're going to be talking about pretty much everything about their new updates, pretty much how to invest on it, and my overall thoughts. So it's going to be kind of like a tutorial, how to use this, how to get the most out of it, and really maximize your investing and pretty much start off your investing. But before we jump into the episode here, I need you to do me a couple of favors. Right now, we're doing a giveaway. Yes, we did the Xbox One. You guys loved it. So we're doing an AirPods giveaway. Let's go. You guys got it. You got to get this video to 100 likes. If we do 100 likes, I will do the giveaway this week, and I'll pick all the likes from this video, put it in a random generator of names, and do it live on my Instagram. So we're gonna be going ahead, pulling up the Cash App here. So you guys like the video, like it. If you guys like it, you guys got it. But we're gonna be going ahead, pulling up the Cash App here, and we're gonna be talking about pretty much everything about it, how to use it, and how to get started with it. All right, so as we go ahead and pull up the Cash App here, for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is, the Cash App is like a Venmo or a Zelle where you can like send money to family, friends, anybody who has the Cash App. So you can send it to them almost like a split the bill type thing. If you owe somebody money, you can send it to them on the Cash App. Now, one of the cool things about the Cash App is they have this. They have these things called boosts. So if you're somebody who like eats out a lot, drinks a lot of coffee, you guys can get $1 off any coffee shop. You guys can get 10% off Nike, $5 off any restaurant, 10% off Hungry Howie's, and like they have a ton of crap on here, guys. They have a ton of stuff. So they do have a lot of great things on this, and you actually have to have the debit card to get this. So there's going to be a link down below, so if you guys want to sign up, you guys can get like a free $5 from signing up. It's free $5. You guys can even just send it to your bank, or you can use it to invest. So as we're going to go back, as we click here, this is just kind of like how much money you have on your card. So I do have a penny on it. It shows all the banks you guys have on here, and if you have any cash, which is the Cash App, and then the Bitcoin if you own any Bitcoin, which I don't, because I don't buy Bitcoin. I know a lot of you guys do, and maybe this is a great alternative to it, you know, to buy some, but I don't buy any and I don't plan on it. So alright, so we did this one. This is pretty much just explaining your card numbers, everything like that. They're going to be all blurred out. And now to get these boosts, all you have to do is, I didn't mention it, is you're going to want to click it and then click Activate Boost, click Done here, and then it's going to be good to go. So as we go back here, this is kind of like how you send money to your friends. All you have to do is just click Pay, and then they're going to send it to them. I think we can do it. So we can like see anybody and send them money. Alright, so the very next thing here is the investing platform. Now this is really what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So let's jump into it. So you guys can see my total gain is roughly $2.19. That is a little off because I took out some of my Tesla earnings and I reinvested it. So it's honestly around like $17 because I made a ton of money off Tesla. But so as we go ahead and see, all you have to do is click your total return, and you can see like where we're at. So you know, AMD, I'm up today 53 cents. Apple is up 38 cents. I'm down a little on Disney. So the next thing is the following tab. So this is like all of your watch list stocks. These are the stocks that you guys really see some sort of potential in, stocks you eventually want to buy. So I have like Nike, Tesla, Coca-Cola, AT&T, Beyond Meat, General Electric, McDonald's, Walmart, Carvana. So moving down here, we have the most traded monthly. So this is just the top most traded stocks for that month, for the month you're in. So as we see, we have Tesla, you know, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and you guys can go through and actually pick out these. So moving down here, we have the biggest daily movers. So this is like stocks that most likely have a fundamental catalyst. So really what a fundamental catalyst is when a stock releases some sort of news or some sort of earnings that will push that stock price up to a crazy amount. Most of these times these stocks are like lower companies that you've honestly probably never heard of, but occasionally you'll get like a stock you know of. So you guys can go through, and if you guys see like something you like Adobe, you know what I mean, you guys can go ahead and actually purchase one. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to buy some Coca-Cola. So all you have to do is click buy, the amount you want to buy. We're going to actually do $1.50, just like that. we're gonna click next, and then what they're gonna do is they're gonna just directly to withdraw it from your checking account that you have linked to this card. If you have money on this card, they will pull from that, but if you don't, then they pull from your debit or your bank that you have hooked up to. So all you have to do is click confirm, and then you will be good to go. It's gonna take a minute to load, and you purchased $1.50 of Coca-Cola. Really, that's just like how to use the Cash App. But how does the Cash App make money, and how does like it work on their back end? Well, there's a couple ways they make money. So if let's say you guys sell this stock and you want to send it back to your bank, what they're gonna do is they're gonna charge you a 1% fee for instantaneously pulling it to your bank. So they're gonna instantly send it to your bank, but if you have, $100 or something, the 1% they're gonna take and use as fees, and then the rest they're gonna send to your bank. So if you guys wanna get around that, what you guys have to do is wait 3 days, because then they're gonna do a free version and then send it to your bank. What they do is they pretty much use that money and get interest on it before they send it to your bank. So they're still making money both ways, because that's the only way that they can do it. Now, another way they make money is through overflow. So for those of you that aren't like big with stocks or investing, I'm gonna give you like a brief explanation. Overflow is kind of a lot to explain. So really what it means is the stock exchanges pay the brokers anywhere from 2 to 3 cents for each $100 that they invest. So if you guys have like 15 million active users like the Cash App does, 2 or 3 cents adds up when you have so many users that are using it. So that's just kind of how they make money. I'm sure they make money a couple other ways with like boosts and a variety of other things, guys. So really, that's what the Cash App is. That's how you use it. It's not too complicated. One of my favorite things about it is how easy it is to actually use. It's not hard. You really just have to understand like basic phone stuff. So my overall, if I was gonna rate this out of 5, I would rate this probably a 4.3 out of 5. The reason why is I wish they had more stocks available to buy. They only have blue chip stocks. So these are companies that these are companies that are worth billions of dollars. And really how the fraction shares work, because that's what you're doing. You're buying fraction shares. So what they do is if that's say Jimmy over here buys half of a share of Ford and you buy the other half, they're gonna tell the exchange they need a full share of Ford. So when Ford offers like a dividend, they split it between you and Jimmy. It's not too complicated. And if you invest $1, they just do that fraction down more. It's not hard at all. So that is really how the Cash App makes money, how everything works with fraction investing. And if you guys have any questions or anything that I didn't cover, make sure you guys read the description because sometimes I'll forget to say something in the video and I remember when I'm posting it. So that is it though. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, drop subscribe down below. Don't forget, 100 likes, we'll do the giveaway this week or next week. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But that is it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Have a good one. Peace out.